Hi students, welcome back to the Social Science online class. Today we are going to see one new lesson, Geography, Unit 5, Hazards. Let's see the learning objectives. To learn the meanings of hazard, disaster and catastrophe. To describe the major types of hazards, their cases and efforts. To develop awareness regarding hazards and related prevention measures. So these are the learning objectives we are going to see in this lesson. Okay, let's see the introduction. In the beginning of 21st century, the earth supported a human population that was more healthier and wealthier than ever before. At the same time, there were lack of awareness on the risks that faced by the people. So by keeping this in the mind, the present lesson of hazards is intended to familiarize the different types of hazards to promote awareness among students regarding hazards. What are hazards? We'll see the definition of hazards. Hazards are defined as a thing, person, event or factor that poses a threat to people, structure or economic assets which may cause a disaster. So, some of the hazards simple meaning is danger. That is a risk. So, you can see the best example to understand the difference between hazards. So, this is hazard, this is risk, right? So, again I will read the definition of hazards. Hazards are defined as a thing, person, event or factor that poses a threat to people, structure or economic assets which may cause a disaster. So hazards could be either human made or natural. So natural hazards, we'll see in the further examples. Human made hazards and natural hazards we'll see in the further next slides. Okay, so first hazard was the game of chance played with dice. The English word comes from medieval French in which the game was called hazard. Now chance or venture and risk or peril are the usual meaning of hazards. The verb hazard emerged in the 16th century. Next we will see the definition of natural hazards, disaster and catastrophe. A natural hazard is a natural process and event that is a potential threat to human life and property. So natural hazards will come naturally, that will make and affect the human life and the property. Okay, a disaster is a hazardous event that occurred over a limited time span in the defined area and causes great damage to life property. So this causes great damage to the life and the property. And catastrophe. A catastrophe is a massive disaster. This is a very big disaster that requires significant expenditure of money and a long time for recovery. So catastrophe, if it is happen, that means that will take more time to recovery. Okay. Next we will see types of hazards. So based on that, hazards are classified into their cases. Based on their cases of occurrence, that classified into 3, and based on their origin means the starting point. Okay, the started thing. So based on the origin, it's classified into 8 categories. First we will see based on their causes of occurrence. First one, A, natural hazards, and B, human made hazards, and C, socio-natural hazards. These are the 3 based on their causes of occurrence. Okay. Next we'll see hazards based on their origin. One, atmospheric hazards, and geological or seismic hazards, and hydrologic hazards, okay, and volcanic hazards, and environmental hazards, biological hazards, technological hazards, and human-induced hazards. So these are the 8 based on their origin. So first we'll see natural hazards, that is based on their causes of occurrence. Okay, they are caused by natural processes and man has no role in it. So naturally some risk is happened, that is called natural hazards. Okay, there is no role of human, so man has no role in it. Okay, next we will see example of natural hazards. Okay, so that is result of natural processes. Okay, we know that. So natural processes, that is example of natural hazards, that is earthquakes, floods, cyclonic storms, droughts, landslides, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. So these are the examples of natural hazards. Next, human-made hazards. So caused by undesirable activities of human, can be result of an accident. So if it is accidents happen, that is a mistake, that is a misdeeds, or that is the thing happen the reason of human, right? That is called human made hazards. Okay, examples: explosions, hazards, waste, pollution of water, air and land, and dam failures, wars, terrorism. Okay, these all are human made hazards. Okay, next one is socio-natural hazards. So these are caused by the combined effort of natural forces and misdeeds of humans. Misdeeds means wrongdoings. Okay, so these all happened because of factories and human constructions, buildings. Okay, so we'll see the examples. Intensity of floods may increase due to felling of trees, and landslides increase due to construction. Storm surge increase due to distraction of mangroves. Smoke because of emission. Okay, this is example of socio-natural hazards. Okay, next we'll see based on their origin types, atmospheric hazards. So the examples are tropical storms, thunderstorms, lightning, tornadoes, avalanches, heat waves, fog, and forest fire. Next, second one is geological seismic hazard. The examples are earthquakes, tsunamis, landslides, and land subsidence. Then hydrological hazards, floods, droughts, coastal erosion, and storm surges. And volcanic hazards, that is eruptions and lava flows. Then fifth one, environmental hazards, that is pollution of air, water, soil, desertification, global warming, and deforestation. And biological hazards, chickenpox, smallpox, AIDS, HIV, killer bees. And technological hazards, fires, infrastructure failure, bridges, tunnels, dams, and nuclear, radiological accidents. These all are technological hazards. And human industries hazards, that is terrorism, mass shootings, war, transportation accidents, and civil disorder. So these are all based on the hazards origin. Okay, so that's all about the today class, students. Thank you.